Let's unbox the new ORICO IG740PRO PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, take a look at its design, features, and test its performance. When new, the package is wrapped in film. Let's see. Yes, we can tear it like that. No need for a knife or anything sharp. This is an industry-grade SSD, which means that its reliability is higher than those usual cheap SSDs. The read speed is up to 7400 megabytes per second. This particular drive is 2 terabytes in capacity. Here's the back of the box. You can get up to a 4 terabyte drive in this lineup. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. Are there any accessories or just the SSD? That's the question. And the answer is, it comes with a heatsink. Check it out. A thermal pad for the heatsink. And here's the heatsink itself. Nice gold color. But it's thin. So I think we'll use a heatsink on my motherboard. Check it out. Nice dark PCB, high quality. There's the chips. Beautiful. Black and golden design. ORICO SSDs always look nice. I like them. A screwdriver is also included in the box, so that's a nice extra. It even comes with its own screw. And let's take a look at the user manual. Is it in English? Yes, there is an English version right here. My motherboard has pretty nice heatsinks for SSDs, so I'll use one of those instead of the one provided in the box with the SSD. Already unscrewed this. There we go. We're going to use one of those slots right there. SSD installation is pretty forward in modern motherboards. It's quite easy. Let's line it up. Insert the SSD into the slot, fix it in place, and it's time to reattach the heatsink. I did not forget to remove the protective film from the thermal pad. That is quite important. Don't forget to do that. Line it up, and we'll use the screwdriver that came in the box with the SSD. Tighten the screws. And now it's good to go. Time to test it. ORICO SSDs are always good value. Take a look at that. $120 for the 2 terabyte drive. That is in the US, and here in the UK it's actually on sale right now, and it can be had for just under £96. Wow, that's actually a good price. If you're interested in buying one, the links will be in the description below. To set up the SSD for the first time, we need to format it. And that's why we need to use the disk management feature built into Windows. We'll use the GPT partition style because it's newer. Let's go. And here's our disk. Disk 1, that's the ORICO drive, 2 terabytes, unallocated. So let's go ahead and create a simple volume. Click Next. Allocate everything to one volume. Next. It's going to be drive D. Next. File system NTFS for the fastest speed, and we'll name it ORICO. That's it. Now we click next and finish, and here it is. It now appears in our system. 1.86 terabytes available space. Let's do a couple of speed tests. Here I have 11.2 gigabytes worth of files, just some videos that I have. Let's copy that and go to our ORICO drive, paste it, and see how fast it goes. Oh my god, that was so quick. I couldn't even see like what the speed was. Wow, insane. Alright, that test wasn't very useful, so I think we'd better use a larger folder. Now we have 100 gigabytes worth of video files in this folder, just my video archive. Let's go ahead and copy that and go to the ORICO drive. Drop that in here. Where's the speed? Yes, 2.5 gigabytes, 2.6 gigabytes. Yeah, that is a very nice write speed. And check it out, how fast it goes. My god. This is super quick. So fast. I bet, yeah, that's gonna be under a minute. Right? Must be. I've seen 2.75 gigabytes speed, 2.78. Okay. That was quick. In conclusion, the ORICO IG740PRO is a nice, fast and affordable SSD storage option. This SSD will eventually end up in one of the new PC builds that I'll use to test CPUs and GPUs. Subscribe for more videos like this if you found this video helpful. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.